Hello friends, welcome all of you on my channel. Today I am going to tell you about Autodesk Maya in a very easy way. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to like, comment and share, and also click on the subscribe button given below. Let's start. Now I am going to tell you about Autodesk Maya interface. First step, this is menu and option bar. Okay, this is time slider and this is channel box. Okay, second step is viewport control. How can we control our viewport? This is first thing. Okay, Maya has 4 views. By clicking the spacebar you can see all the views. To go to any view, bring the cursor and click the spacebar. Then you can go inside the view like this. For control our viewport, for rotate, click Alt plus left click. Then you can control our viewport. Okay. Second, for drag, if you want to drag your viewport, then click Alt plus middle mouse button click. Then you can drag. Okay. Now third is zoom in and zoom out. Simply you can scroll your middle mouse button for zoom in and zoom out. If you instant focus your object, then press F for frame. Okay, you can instant frame your object. Now this is viewport control, like rotate, okay, drag and zoom in and zoom out. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about third part is object control. First I will tell you about Autodesk Maya's interface, second is viewport control, and third is object control. Okay, then let's start. First is move tool. Okay, click our object, then press W for move tool. Okay, you can move in all the axes. When you select from center, you can move freely in everywhere. Okay, second is model rotate, object rotate. Okay, for E. Okay, and third is scale tool. Scale tool shortcut is R. You can scale your model like this in every direction, and when you select from center, then overall model, then you can control overall the model. Okay, this is now this is the first part of my video. This is my first video. If you like it, please like, comment and share, and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.